Alright, well, I had to get my wife to film this video because I've been pounding the crap out of these tiles. Obviously this hammer's far too light, it should be a mash hammer, and this is obviously a bricky's bolster for cutting bricks up basically. They work pretty well. But anyway, this is obviously where the old toilet was. I'm not going to move that plunger because being a pan collar, they get dusty and look gross, and there's no crap on it, but you know. Anyway, this is how we terminate toilets in Australia basically. There's just a rubber disc in there that the pan S-trap pushes down through basically. It's pretty foolproof. It's a hell of a lot more simple than any of the US systems because I've watched a lot of plumbing videos which are fascinating. I love watching other videos, you know, about infrastructure that's not Australian because, well, I know about Australian stuff. So, but yeah, the Yanks use wax and like, I don't know. Anyway, I'm not bagging, don't get me wrong, my US friends. Just that it's just amazing how simple our system is. So basically 4 screws hold the toilet to the floor. Anyway, we're ripping up these tiles for a corner spa. And yeah, this is not fun. This is the opposite of fun. So the shower that's there, that's being removed. It looks dirty, yeah. Oh well, you know, whatever. But yeah, that's all getting removed. And basically in here, I've installed a new toilet, but it's what it is it's just sort of put in, but not permanently, because I've got just bits of wood packing it out. This bathroom's going to be clad with mini orb, which is, it's like corrugated iron, but it's small. You know, it's not big corrugations. So this is a fabricated flush pipe by me. I haven't flame soldered for, I don't know, at least 15 years. So yeah, I was really rusty, and initially I got the wrong damn flux for soft solder from the local plumbing place, which was very helpful because it, you know, wouldn't happen, right? So in the end I got the right stuff. So this is just the first stage of polishing. There's another different compound, and I've just been using the, you know, the cigarette butts that go on the drill. So this one's the soft one at the moment. This one's the one for getting rid of the tarnish and the scratches and blah blah blah. So you move off to a different compound and a different polishing mop. So this was originally a gas pipe from a local, well, it's just an off-cut, it was a gas line, so that's all you need to know. And it's probably about $200 worth of copper there. I mean, just the bend at the bottom it's, you know, nearly a $20 bend, depending on where you buy it from. So the shower's going to go in that corner there. You don't have to get a good look at it, but basically, yeah, I put up a wall. This used to be the laundry, and that used to be where a separate toilet was. And up there you can see where the original dividing wall between the laundry and toilet was. So they had a toilet door there and nothing here basically. Actually, you know what, I really can't remember what even was here. But yeah, so I just thought you guys and girls might be interested in what I've been doing. Obviously there's wires all over the place, and this is really, just don't do it like that. Yes, it's RCD protected, or GFCI, if that's where you are in the world, but just don't do it. I mean, RCDs they're not going to always come to the rescue. They do fail, so like the back of that's live, and it obviously shouldn't be. Okay, there's no neutral there, and you're pretty isolated from ground except for this stuff, because this is going to be ground potential, because it's also connected to the copper water pipe, which is bonded to ground, or earth, as we call it. So it's not overly hard to renovate bathrooms and stuff. You've just got to start doing it. I mean, compound miter saws, you have to have them. You can do it by hand, but look, modern power tools are the reason houses don't take 2 years to build. So yeah, if you're doing it by hand, I feel sorry for you. If you're an older gentleman and you really don't use power tools, yeah, give it a shot. You'll be surprised. They can be as safe as you want them to be, or as dangerous. You know, you can drill a hole in your own head with a drill bit. I mean, you don't need to, right? So just, yeah, read the instructions that come with your tools. Anyone that hasn't used power tools before, young, old, whatever. So anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, take it easy.